So this is like tulips stitch. This is really so beautiful and so easy to do. So look at this, simply gorgeous. This wrong side, how wrong side also looks in this stitch, like this. For this stitch we need multiple of 8 plus 2 for edges. So here I cast on the stitches like this. We slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1 and 2. So we repeat again, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2, and last stitch we just purl for edge. Next we slip 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1 and 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1 and 2. At the end of the row, here we have last stitch. This one we just purl for, slip 1 and knit all the knit stitches. Last stitch we just purl for edge. We slip 1 and purl all the stitches like this. Slip a stitch for the edge. After we slip for 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in behind of the work. So after we do like this. So these two, take the needle after like this. Purl 2, knit 2, 1 and 2, like this. Slip again for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we do like this. And knit 2, 1, 2, purl, like this. Slip for 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Purl 2, 1, knit 2, 1 and 2, repeat, 2, 3, 4. So we take this 2, like this, knit 2, 1, 2, purl, 1, 2. Last stitch we just purl for slip 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 2, 1, 2. Last stitch we just purl